So can anyone tell me what is exact meaning of testing? Anyone? What is meaning of testing? Anyone? Anyone
Any
know?
application without any
Tell me.
bugs.
What are you just express it. See, first thing I want to tell you one thing. If you don't know the knowledge, also not a problem. But communication is very, very, very important nowadays. Only they're asking degree. Even the intermediate also, if the candidate is ready with the good communication skills, they are offered the job. Okay, so don't think that BTech, MTech, and MCAs, engineering is not required nowadays. Smart, you should always be a smart means what? No need to get lot of certifications and all the things, it's not required. Smart means what? You need to communication to what are the question they're asking in interview, or what are, if any person is asking any question, right, whether it is right or wrong, that is secondary part, but you need to answer that thing. Okay, if you know, just answer it. Okay, if you don't know, then you need to say that I don't know. But if you sitting silent, right, that is very dangerous. Okay, so in especially in IT, okay, I'm not talking about testing. If you want to get into the IT side, right, the communication, again, the communication means, sir, I don't know English proper, I don't know how to speak. No, don't tell all these things. You, whatever the English you know, you can speak, whether it is butler English, or it's a normal English, or it's a fluent English, you can speak anything, not a problem. But if you skip that part, right, you're not responding, you're tell me about your, see, the first interview question is what? They won't ask where you learn testing, you know what is testing, they won't ask all these questions. First question, your interview, if you go with any call center job or any IT job, any software job, they will ask you the first question, can you introduce yourself? What is your question? Can you introduce yourself and tell me about your roles and responsibilities? Most of the people will disqualify here itself. The first round only they will disqualify, because they are good in testing, they're good in software, they know Python, they know Java, they know each and everything, they know how to write the code, everything they know. But the problem is where? The communication. So, guys, I want to tell you one thing. This is purely interaction session. It's not like I'm sharing the PPT. You're writing the notes. It's not be like that. Okay, it's a real time. How in real time? What we will do? Each and everything we will discuss here. You can go more than 4 to 5 years of experience, not 1 2 years. Okay, if freshers, you can directly you can say that we done with the internship. So it's a kind of internship program. Okay, so I will ask you the questions every day. You need to respond that whether it is right or wrong. That is the secondary part. First, you need to tell what you are thinking. Okay, that is very, very, very important. Okay, so someone is saying what is testing means. What is exactly meaning of testing? Anyone? Testing definition. Can anyone tell me what is testing definition? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Developing the product
Test
without
develop the
any bugs.
application,
Hmm.
whether it is working according to the client
Hmm.
requirements,
Requirements. Correct, right?
correct
Correct.
or
Good.
not.
Yeah, correct. Someone is saying other person. Usha Sri. Yeah, go ahead. You want to say something?
Yes, sir. I have already told that.
Yeah, okay, good, good. And one more thing, please don't call sir, madam. This, please ignore that. This is very wrong in IT. You just call with the name. Okay, Ramesh, hi Suresh, hi Srinivas, hi Srini. Or okay, so please don't call with anyone as a sir. Okay. Okay, now it is fine, but I'm telling in say HR room you are going and always saying good morning, sir, good evening, sir, good afternoon, sir. So please ignore all these kind of things. So be professional. You always say, use the name. Okay, okay, that's fine. Now, yeah, so that's good. What is testing means? Most of the people they say that testing means finding the defects. That's a wrong answer. Okay, so please don't say testing means finding the defects. Finding the defects can do anyone, okay, not only you guys, okay, not only testing team, anyone can find the defects, okay. So make sure that what is exact the meaning of testing means, make sure means uh, what we can say that 100%, like make sure that application is working as per the given client requirements, okay. So always we need to check the client requirements. Client will be provide the requirements, we need test the application. Don't say that testing means finding the defects. So most of the people they say that simply what is testing means finding the defects. That's a wrong answer. Finding the defects can do anyone, not only testing team. Developers will find, customers will find, and users will find the defects, okay. Don't say that testing means finding the defects. Testing means to check the application or a product or a software whether it is working according to the client requirements or not. Simple definition, no need to by heart. What is the exact meaning of testing means, you need to say only one word: check whether the software or application or a product, it is working according to the client requirements or not. See how simple it is. Some people will by heart this all the things. Please don't by heart. If you by heart and you are telling an interview, right, they will easily find out you are reading all the things. So you need to tell very clearly what is testing means. The testing is nothing but to check whether the application is working according to the client requirements or not, okay. Now lot of questions. Sir, testing have life? Yes. 100 years, more than 100 years. Sir, AI is coming, everything is AI will do. Yes, AI will do, but what is called AI? Anyone? AI means what? There are a lot of people are thinking AI will do all the things. No, AI will not. Yes, AI will do, but AI is what is a kind of assistance. Assistant means like it's a buddy. Okay, it won't do all the things. You need to give some instructions. Based on that instruction, the AI will do all the things. You need to tell them write the test cases. So if you tell to AI, then what AI will do? AI will prepare all your test cases. So no need to worry about automation nowadays, okay. People are worrying how to write the code, and so not required all the things. You need to tell very clearly to AI, I want this kind of code. So you need to tell very clearly, I want only login functionality, means it won't give a proper result, okay. Do you know prompt engineers? Anyone know what is prompt engineers? Prompt engineers means what? So you need to give a proper prompt, then only it will give the results. So you are giving wrong things, wrong parameters, means it won't give the proper result, okay. So if you want to work with AI, then what is required? Your knowledge is also is required. People are thinking AI will do, AI will do. What AI will do? AI will take your input from you, right? So first you need to give a proper input. When you will give a proper input, if you know the domain, what is called domain, if you know the product, if you know the domain, if you know that application, then only you can give the proper input. Without knowing anything blindly or giving something, means it won't give the proper results. So AI, market AI will come, our jobs will be not there. Don't think all these things, okay. People are saying manual with AI, automation AI, they are marketing now. No, that's all are wrong, okay. What AI will do, first you need to understand what is AI. AI is nothing but what? Artificial intelligence. So what AI exactly it will do? It will give you assistance. Assistant means what? It will give you help. It will give you like a support. Suppose I have one buddy means what? My colleague. So if I ask anything with my colleague, right, what my colleague will give, my colleague will give you some information, right. The same way, if you talk with AI, AI will give you, assist you. Hey, this is right, this is wrong, this is right, this is wrong. How all we know all these things? Through the AI, okay. So don't think that next generation, everything, next coming days AI will do all the things, means no. It's a AI is only assistance. Assistance means what? It will by using of AI we are doing all the testing. Okay, but knowledge is very very important. That is what product knowledge, application knowledge is very very important. We will discuss more how to work with AI, how to write the test cases with AI. We'll see all the things, don't worry. But first understand the concept, don't by heart. Okay, so try to understand what is right, what is wrong. You know right what is right and what is wrong. Okay, so please try to understand the things. Okay, don't pass the directly pass the message. There are no openings in the manual. No, I'm not agree. There are plenty of openings in automation engineers. Still, you can draw 25 lakhs or 30 lakhs package or 15 lakhs package. If you are in good in communication, if you have good knowledge in programming knowledge, one language, and you are in good in manual and automation, and you can easily get into the job within a short period of the time. No need to spend 6 months or 7 months. Okay, within 3 to 4 months. But you need to plan. Okay, that's fine. So just now what we discussed, a tested application. What is testing? Guys, can anyone confirm? Are you able to see my screen? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, okay. The tested developed application, any developed application, whether it is working according to the client requirements or not. See, our job is very very easy. Client will provide the requirements. Okay, client will give you all the requirements. Okay, we need to just validate that one. What we need to do, we need to validate username is there or not. Yes, username is there. Password is there or not. Password is there. Or login button is there or not. Yes, login button is there. So our job is very 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 easy. So we need to validate. So client will provide all the requirements. Okay, don't need to worry about requirements and all the things. Okay, they will provide you all the requirements. Okay, see, suppose this application we need to test. So username, they will tell you here username will be there, password will be there, login will be there. So according to the requirements, according to the client requirements, we need to test this application whether it is working properly or not. You need to give the username, you need to give the password, and you need to click the login. After login, what page should come? I don't know, you know. You also don't know, right? Then how you will test? Can anyone tell me after login what page should come? How we know that what page should come? Anyone? You are giving username and password and clicking login. After login, what page should come? You know? Anyone know? No, we don't know, right? So how we will know that what page should come? So we always depends on what? Anyone? We always
Requirement.
depends on.
Requirement.
Yeah, absolutely. Excellent. See, requirements. So here now I'm getting a question mark here. Everyone getting a question mark. Hey, after username, password, clicking login, what page should come? Even I don't know. Even you don't know. Then how we will confirm? Requirement specification documents. Okay, I will show you in real time how the documents will be there. So here I'm giving username and here I'm giving the password, what they suggested, right? The same thing I'm giving here and clicking login. Now I'm getting what? Inventory page. So inventory. So in the document it is very clearly mentioned after enter the username password. After enter the username password, not after enter valid username, valid password, valid. So please remember, enter username, enter password, click on login. Don't write like that. You need to write very clearly, enter valid username, enter valid password, and click on login. After login, what page should come? Inventory page should come. Simple, guys. If inventory page is not getting, you are getting some different page, then what you need to say? It's a bug. No need to ask, no need to shy, no need to confuse, no need to get whether it is right or wrong. Don't need to worry yourself. Okay, simply you can reject this one because it is not showing expected result. What is your expected result here? Please understand the terminology. What is expected result here? Inventory page should be displayed, but you are not seeing the inventory page, you are seeing some different page, then it's a bug. Now tell me, what is the definition of bug? Bug means what? Anyone? What is
Error.
called bug? Ah, error. Error. What is error? Error means what? Bug,
Pro-
error. How can
Problem
you say it
occurs
is
in
a
the
bug?
program.
Program occurs in the good. So you are saying good terminology. Yeah, problem occurs in the software or a code. Yes, good. Otherwise you can simply say like simple word, actual result. What is the actual result? Inventory. What is your expected result? Inventory, right? Inventory page should be display, right? Actual result is not equal to expected result. What I'm expecting? Inventory page, but inventory page is not getting. Then you can simply say that it is the bug. Actual result is not equal to what I'm expecting. Expected result, actual result is not equal to expected result, then you can simply say bug. See, in interview, simple question they will ask you. If you keep it as a fake experience, 2 to 3 years experience, and you are going interview, and you are reading bug means you are reading the definition, but real time you will not read the definition, you will simply say only one line answer. S- Actual result is not equal to expected result. See the terminology, how you are saying. Actual result, what is actual result? Inventory. What you are expecting? Inventory. But both are not same, that the reason we can say it's a bug. Understanding, right? Simply no need to ask anyone whether it is bug or no. So simply you need to say actual result. What is the actual result? After login I need to see inventory page, but I'm not seeing that one. So actual result is not equal to the expected result, so simply you can say it's a bug. So that is what power of testing. If you can reject, you can validate your application. See, testing, if you learn testing, right, you can go with any sector. Like you can go with networking testing, you can go with the SAP testing, you can go with AI testing, you can go with the cloud testing, you can go with Power BI, a lot of any tool in the market, right? Any tool, anything, any software, we need to go for testing. E-commerce, you can go with e-commerce testing. POS, point of sales, you can go with that. Banking, you can go with the banking sector, you can go. But basic thing you need to understand. Most of the people ignore manual, go automation. No, that's wrong. You don't know what is bug, you don't know what is the definition of the bug, then you started working in automation. Then what is the use of there? You don't know what is manual, you don't know what is functional testing, you don't know what is non functionality testing, you don't know FVT. What is called FVT? What is called SVT? You know anyone what is called FVT? FVT. What is called FVT? Functional verification testing. What is called SVT? System verification testing. What is regression? What is smoke testing? What is sanity testing? What is hard hoc testing? What is implementation testing? So basic things you need to understand. If you don't know all these things, simply watching 2 videos in automation, I'm good in automation, and going there and getting to the job and suffer a lot, again you will be rejected there. So go in a proper way. Okay, if you are in good in basic standards in manual, right, then you can start automation. Automation you are good, right, then you can go with APIs. API testing is also is very very important. Then slowly you can go with the DevOps. After that you can go into another, like you can grow like that. Okay. Understanding, right, guys? Try to are you getting right what I'm trying to say? So this is very very important. Again, why we are doing the testing question they will ask you. Definitely they will ask you, why is it testing is required? Most of the people say that no, no, testing is 100% is required. Without testing, any product will not launch in the market. Even the Microsoft products or any products, Google products, any products, they must should test. Without testing, they won't launch in the market. What is the advantages of testing? Ensuring the quality. See, main thing is what, why we are doing the testing means, the first you need to say quality. Without quality, the product will not be launched in the market. If you go with any product, if you heard about Value Labs, Value Labs is what, completely for testing team. If you go with the TCS, most of the teams are testing team only. Okay, Infosys, Wipro, if you go with any organization, without testing team, the product will not be launched in the market. So ensuring what, quality. Correctness, robustness. Correctness means it should work proper way. Robustness means it should work in critical functionality also. And reliability, what is called reliability? Reliability is nothing but what, user friendly. Okay, I will explain you, don't worry, I'm just telling all this thing. And finally one thing we can say, that ensure the product is what, bug free before shipment and release. So before we are releasing the product, make sure that it should be a bug free. Once so make sure that any product. Now one more question, guys. Can we do 100% of testing? Is it possible? Anyone? Is it possible? 100% of testing. Now we are implemented one product. Okay. Now we will launch in the market. Okay. So can we say that it won't get any single issue after the launch? Can we say like that? Can we say that it is 100% testing is done?
No.
No. Correct, right?
No.
Yes, it is not possible, guys. 100% of testing is not at all possible for any product. Now recently one WhatsApp is coming in India. Anyone know? Recently the WhatsApp is
No.
coming, right? Huh?
Yes,
Sorry.
sir. Zero
Yes.
release.
uh, Johor, right? They're releasing one WhatsApp, right? But they're launching the market, but still we have a lot of concerns or issues will be there, right? So slowly, any product, see, that is the best example. Any product they will launch in the market, right? They won't give like 100% it will works, okay? They slowly launch the product, and now people are using. Now people are starting working on that product. Now people get some issues, then what they will do, they will discuss, they will rise in forums, they will discuss in social media and all the things, right? Then what company will do, the company will collect all the information and they will fix that issues and they will give for the another release. Like that, release wise, release 1, release 2, release 3, release 4, release 5, like that the product will comes in the release wise. Understanding, right? Updates, like the release means what, the same release I give for the next release means the people will not use that. Okay, so what is meaning of release? Release is nothing but what, the bugs we will, previous issues we will fix, or enhancements, what is called enhancements, new changes, what is required, what is the people are looking, what people are looking, all things we are implement, and we will launch the product in the market. Most of the people we ask in interview directly what is release means, they won't have any answer. What is called release? Release means what, the product will not launch at a time in the market. Okay, slow, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, like that we will release the product in the market. But one thing we can say that no one in this world cannot do 100% of testing, is not at all possible. So this question they will ask you in interview, can we do 100% of testing? No, it's not possible. Some people are there, they don't know anything. Yes, we will do. Yes, we will do. What you will do? So we can do 100% of testing is not at all possible. Okay, so please make sure this is very important. Okay, always you need to remember, if anyone asks you can we do 100% of testing means, don't say yes. No, it's not possible. Okay, but how you will achieve that one? Now we launch the product in the market. The people are hitting some issues. What they will do? The people will raise the support ticket. The support ticket will review and it will comes to again to the development team. Again, development team will look into that and it will reproduce. Reproduce means what? The same issue is getting or not. The same issue is reproducing means again the developer will fix that issue. Again, it will goes to the testing. Once the testing team is gives an approval, then only it will come to the market. See, that is the power of testing. If testing team is not approval, if testing team says that no, we can't go for release because too many bugs are there, then no one will cannot do a release. Understanding, right? So that is what the power of testing. People are saying no jobs, no salaries, testing is very less salaries. No, I'm not agree with that. In testing also you can get as a fresher Now fresher as getting internship only, they're getting 4 to 5 lakhs. After internship 6 months, after that internship they get directly 8 lakhs package within 2 3 4 years. Within 2 3 4 years their package will be at 20 lakhs also. It's purely depends on you, not others. Sorry, is getting 16 lakhs. Don't compare with others. 16 lakhs means what is having his knowledge. Compare with the knowledge, not his person. Sir, did I after this class did I get the job? I cannot answer that one whether you will get or not. You are in good in all these areas, so you practice attending the interviews, resume preparation, you are going interviews regularly, thoroughly, definitely you will get it. But simply if you're sitting at home and comparing with others, he getting job, you don't know anything, but he is getting job yearly. So if you're comparing the people, right, you will not get anything. You need to compare with the people with the knowledge. What is recently done, what technologies is learning. IT means what? Keep on learning. You need to keep on learning. Then only you can. You are in the race. Otherwise, you are out of the race. Okay. Understanding, right? Don't worry guys, it's very easy guys. You only your confidence is required, your communication is required, nothing else. Forget about all the things, testing and all the things. Once you get into the organization, right, they will tell you how we need to do all the things. Okay, don't worry about that. Make sure that you need to make sure that you need to get all these things. Okay, one, don't worry, I will tell you what is the project, how we need to do the project, what are the requirement specification documents and all the things. 1 second guys, 1 second. Yeah, so plan for how to execute the things. Okay, don't concentrate on job. First plan for how to execute, then you can go for a job. Okay, without executing all the things directly, you are attacking attack to the job means it won't come. So if you want to get into job within a short period of the time, what we need to do? First think like that, then automatically answers will get it. Okay. Why testing is done? Just now we discussed, right? To ensure the quality. Ensure means what? Make sure. How you say you are getting a quality product? Interview question. This is straightforward interview question. You are saying testing means what? Quality. How you define the quality? How you define the quality? Can anyone answer how you define the quality? Anyone know how you define the
Without
quality?
bugs.
Ah, correct. Yes, without bugs. So justification of what? All the requirements. Yes, correct. What you said is correct. That is what I'm telling you. Answer the things. You're thinking might be my answer is wrong. No, sometimes your answers, all your answers will be correct. So requirement 3, requirement 4. See, simple guys. How can you say that this product is quality product? Simple question they will ask you. How can you say this is the quality product? So what is your answer here? Most of the people get confused. How can I say it is a quality product without testing and all the things? So simply you can say that justify all the requirements. Requirement 1 I covered, requirement 2 I covered, requirement 3 is also I covered, requirement 4 is also I covered. So if you cover all the things means you will get, no doubt, you will get 100%. You will get 100% quality product. No doubt. This is what the formula. Requirement 1 we did, requirement 2 we did, requirement 3 we did, requirement 4 justification of what? All the requirements. If you justify all the requirements, definitely you will get what? 100% quality product you will get it. Okay, we can simply say that, not 100%, you can simply say that quality product will get. Suppose you are not understand the requirement 4, so you not done proper testing here, so you cannot say you will get a quality product because you not done proper testing here. And requirement 2 also you not done in the proper testing. Then you cannot say you will get a quality product. So how can you say you are getting a quality product? Means the simple answer, justification of what? All the requirements. Quality, how you define the quality, how you can say this is the quality product. Quality product means what? It is satisfy all the requirements means then definitely you will get quality product, no doubt at all. Quality is defined the justification of what all the requirements of customers in a given application. If you covered all the requirements, no doubt at all, you will get a quality product. Similarly, in job also, we have some requirements will be there. If you want 100% job, what is your requirement one? You need to go for attend the classes and you need to prepare some courses, not only testing, any course. You can learn any course. Your course is done. You did practice well. You are attending the interviews. Definitely you will get the job. No doubt at all. 100% I'm giving challenge. If you follow these requirements, you will get 100% job within 3 to 4 months, not more than 6 months. Requirement was one is what preparing, attending the classes and choose but which one you are interested. Second is what more practice, here practice is required. Not only attending the classes, not only practice, what we need to do attending the jobs. Most of the people there are waiting for a good time. What is good time? There is no good time, there is no bad time. Every time, like tomorrow only, if you have an opportunity, you can go for the job. Okay, no need to wait for that. Okay, so uh, whatever you learn, right, prepare the resume first. If most of the people, what they will do, they will copy the resume from the friends. At least they will not prepare the resume themselves also. That is the problem nowadays, because we don't have patience. Now current problem is what? We don't have patience. Fast, 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 everything you want fast. It won't happen all the times. You need have some patience. You need to prepare, practice, and once you did all the things, once you get a confidence, then you need to apply the job. Once you are applying, attending the interview, first interview will not select, right, rejected. Second interview rejected, fourth interview rejected. But what questions they're asking, what answers you are telling, keep on writing on the notepad what the questions they're asking, what you are answering. And fourth and fifth interview you can get, definitely you will get some confidence, and fifth and sixth interview you will crack that one, no doubt at all. Without trying anything, sitting at home, passing the messages, no jobs, no people are Tata, TCS, they're removing the people. Why want all this news? Forget, yeah, don't think about others, think about yourself first. You know, 1,000 people they remove from TCS. What you will get anything that news? No, right? They will remove due to some reasons. That news will help you? No, right? Why you are worrying? You are not in that part, right? So forget about all the negativity, go with the positivity. If still you not get into job in IT sector, we have a lot of other jobs is also there. Okay, it's not only IT is only as a life. Okay, so be confident, guys. Definitely you will get a job, no doubt. 100% you will get a job, but believe yourself. Okay, so don't compare with others. Don't what you can say that don't go with the negative messages like they are removing the people, there are no openings, no, there are no jobs. No, I'm not agree with all the things. Whatever you're doing, you just put it 100%. Definitely you will get the job. Okay, so this is what, guys, today's sessions, like today we discuss only a general part. So tomorrow don't miss that. Tomorrow we'll see what types of testing. There are two types of testing. Just now what is testing we know. Today what is testing? So interview questions. Just I'm telling general questions. What is can you define what is testing? The testing is nothing but to check whether the application is working according to the client requirements or not. Please don't by heart. Try to understand. In any customer is ask you to test the application, what you will do? You need to test that application whether it is working according to the client requirements or not. Can we do 100% of testing? No, we cannot do 100% of testing. Can you define the quality? Yes. Justification of what? All the requirements. What are the requirements as given, right? If you fulfill all the requirements 100%, you will get the quality product. Okay, so this is what we learned today. Tomorrow we will discuss a very very interesting topic. what are the types of testing? So there are two types of testing. One is what white box testing, another is what black box testing. So who will do the white box testing and who will do the black box testing? We'll see this one tomorrow. Then we'll get a clear picture. Once you know what developer will do, what testing team will do, if you know that idea, right, then you can test with your own. No need to go with any organization. You can ask for freelancing. You can start your testing at your home itself. Okay, so we'll discuss all the things, don't worry. Tomorrow we'll see what is white box testing and what is black box testing. Yeah, go. And now what we cover in this manual topics, right? We will cover what is testing, testing types, testing techniques, testing fundamentals. This is very very important. Functional testing and non-functionality testing. This is all your interview questions, straightforward questions. Okay, what are the functional testing? Smoke testing, what is meaning of smoke testing? What is sanity testing? What is exploratory? What is hard hoc? What is retesting, regression testing? If you know all these things, you can go for interview today itself. No need to wait for tomorrow. Functional testing is very 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 important. What are the non-functionality testing? Performance, security, compatibility, usability. So this all we need to learn. This is all or what basic testing. Once the basic testing is done, then we need to go with the SDLC models. What is called SDLC? Software Development Lifecycle models. Like, so here there are few models like waterfall model, incremental model, prototype model, spiral model, RAD model, V model. But one of the most important and current, every organization is using is what agile methodology. Agile. If you know agile, again you can go for interview. No need to wait. Agile is very 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 important. So how project will comes, how project is divided into sprint, how we are going for the release, each and everything we need to know in agile methodology. So this is practically we'll see all these things. Who is the product owner, who, what is the team, what is the scrum master, what is daily scrum meetings, what is the sprint review, what is the retrospectrum meeting. So this is what we do practically, we'll do in this manual sessions. Okay, once the agile is done, then we'll go with three projects. One is what banking application, another is what insurance, one live application we can do. One live application is what stock inventory management. This application we need to do with the proper way, with the live. Okay, so this application will share to you all of guys. This application we need to do with the proper way. And next, Jira. Once you find the defect, where you will post that defect. So Jira part is also is very very important. That is 5 to 4 sessions with the Jira. After Jira we are writing the test cases, how to write the test cases in manually and with the using of tool. With the tool also we, after that we will switch to automation part. Okay, anybody have any questions so far?
How many
Yes.
days it will take for manual and automation?
Manual around is 25 classes. Automation is 40 classes. It depends on the students. If you are interested, we can expand that, but maximum it's 40 days automation part.
So in 40 days, we'll be covering all the automation topics.
Yes, we will cover.
We will be good enough to attend the interviews.
Yes, yes, yes. You can go. See, it's a good question actually. Manual is all manual classes all are theory only. There is no practical. Okay, like how the quality is defined, requirements and all the things we need to assume and we need to go with that. But when you're talking about automation, right, it's endless. It's a endless. So here, in case in interview they will ask you to please automate this page. In that case, you whatever learning here, right, in you can easily automate that page without any other's help. Okay, so we will give you advanced as well as basic. So but in automation is what it purely depend on you, how much you do the practice. Manual, no need to do any practice, you no need to spend time with the manual. But when you are talking about automation, right, at least in a day you need to practice 3 to 4 hours. Got it right? What
Oh,
I'm trying to say?
yeah. Okay.
It's a
And
it's
will
not.
you
Uh-huh.
will
Yeah.
you go with deep database testing and API testing also?
Yeah, API testing is completely a different. That is what we need to use the postman and
At
all.
least basics. Yeah.
Ah, basics means again, I will tell you, don't worry. If you want really, if you have any reference in that side, I can help out on that. Okay.
Because nowadays they're also
Yes, yes,
asking
I
about,
agree
yeah.
with that. I agree with that. But see, I cannot combine all three at a time, right? So manual automation and API. See, what I want to say is, if you want to learn in a proper way, you need to spend at least 20 to or 25 classes with API. It is not like 1 or 2 days. I can give you a reference. I can share you material and all the things, but you need to do some practice right on that. Then only you will understand.
So
Are you
what
getting
about
right? Uh,
database testing?
Database also we will not tell. Database again ETL testing, that is completely different. You want to go with the database testing, you need to join as a ETL testing. Here we will tell you
Da
how.
database testing means not everything. You will not
No,
cover
no,
everything.
no.
I'm just asking in
The basic
some
part, the
projects.
basic. Yeah, the
Yeah,
database.
basic part. We will be
Yes, yes,
writing the
yeah,
simple
yes,
queries and we will
yes.
be validating it, right? So
Yes,
that.
yes, yes. That is what I'm telling. All the projects they won't give the access to the database. Say, suppose you
Mm.
are working with some project, okay, they won't give access to the database. Some projects will be there. You need to both things you need to validate, like functionality as well as database. If you in that case, at least you need to know the basic things like what is joins, what is the commands like select command, delete command, update, insert. These commands is required. So I will tell you in application and how we need to troubleshoot with the database and all the things. I will cover that part. Don't worry, in manual.
Okay, okay, you will be providing all the
Videos
um
and material will share.
material.
Material they will share. That is what it
So
is. Purely interaction session. You can ask any question. You can we can.
so
It's not like.
class
Yeah, go ahead.
so so classes will be from Monday to Friday or
Yeah, yeah. Monday to Friday. The
one
weekends we
hour
don't
or
have.
1.5 hour
No,
thing?
no, no. It's a 1 hour session. The people will get bored 1 hour on.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, in coming days we can see whether we can stretch classes in case if it is required. But generally, see if manual agile methodology is important, Jira is important, writing the test cases and executing the test cases is very very important. When you're coming to the automation, without any other support, you need to execute your part. What are the task is assigned on your name, right? You need to execute yourself, no, without taking any other support. So if you are in good in all these areas, you can go for and you can apply the job. Got it right? And self learning is very very important in automation part. Okay, we are giving one example. You need to practice with 3 to 4 examples. Then only you will get more knowledge in automation part. Got
Do
it
we
right?
have any WhatsApp group
No,
for
currently
this?
not now. Once the stable all the things right, then we will start. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Because too many WhatsApp groups are there. Don't worry. Once it you get into all the things right, you can share. I will share my email ID. If you want any support or anything, we can discuss that. Don't worry. Okay. Anything else, guys? Anybody? Any concerns and queries? Anybody? Anybody have any concern, guys? Please speak out. Okay. So that is very very important. Forget about automation manual and all the things, guys. Communication is very very important. I told you right. You should respond. Only that is very very important. Okay. Tomorrow 8:05. Okay. 8:05 means 8 o'clock only, but 5 minutes it might be okay delay. We'll connect tomorrow. We'll see what is the types of testing. We'll see tomorrow. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks for your time. Have a nice day. We'll see tomorrow.
So tomorrow also the same link. We have to connect with the
You
same
can
link.
same link with for 3 days. If the people are registered and they did the payment right, then they will change the link. Okay, they will completely the change the link. Okay,
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. They will update you. The front office will be update you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.